Hello everyone! Today I'm unboxing prescription lenses from VR for my Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. Let's check it out! Here's what arrived: the VR box. Inside we have a gray carrying case and a cleaning cloth packet, both branded with VR. The cleaning cloth comes sealed to keep it clean. This is the compact carrying case with a carabiner clip. And here are the lenses inside, clearly marked with R for right and L for left. Here's the right lens. You can see it's crystal clear and marked with R. These are custom-made gray transition lenses with anti-blue light, anti-fog, scratch-resistant, and several other premium coatings. Now, time to open my Meta Ray-Ban case. Here are my Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer frames without lenses. Taking the right lens and carefully positioning it into the frame. Gently pressing around the edges to snap it into place. Both lenses installed. The fit is perfect and seamless. Checking the fit. The lenses sit flush with the frame. Here's the front view. They look amazing. Testing the anti-blue light coating with a UV flashlight. See that blue-purple reflection? That's the anti-blue light coating working. It's blocking harmful blue light. Now here's the cool part, the transition effect. One lens is clear indoors, and the other has darkened in bright light. This shows how the photochromic lenses automatically adjust to light conditions. Clear indoors, dark outdoors. These VR prescription lenses are a perfect solution for anyone who wears glasses and wants to use Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. The quality is excellent, installation was easy, and all the premium features are included. Use my discount code for 10% off at vr-rock.com. Link in the description. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tech reviews.